This is the Simplicity S65. It actually comes in 3 levels depending on how much you're going to use it and how much you want to spend. The basic model has a floor head. It's 2 speeds. It'll run about 30 minutes. I'll show you. It has a canister that you empty, and it's designed for that quick cleanup around your house. The next step up has all of these accessories for it, and so it's good for whole house cleaning basically, and has a pet tool. The top of the line has all of this plus an extra battery. So now you've got probably an hour's worth of cleaning. Made by Simplicity, it's a great little vacuum.